Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila u Konrad K. Sangma, harengkat bat Menteri Karep Karyang uba Bantai Dorlengdo. Hene kasngi ulapli ya ke SHG Mela harap leng ke bahap hapok kamau kan rau CNR di belong. Haga baki SHG bapher kilawan banyasem bentalang. Habakren hakane kasngi nakaliang uba Bantai Dorlengdo ubadai ru MLA kathan ulapan pau ya ke jing komen ya ke jingla jongki SHG ban kentiu syaprang haki babun kilyang. Ula benrap ru da kabaong, bakane kamday kabakun Henry Kasorkar harengkat badu, kumu MLA kinyay beteng nakapor siya kapor, ban kintiw yaki kamtam hakayo kakon. Nakalyang Menteri Rangba u Konrad Sangma, ulaong baka Sorkar kapay kmat ban kintiw yakayo kakot hakathan. Hagane kasngi Menteri Rangba badu MLA kathan, kila IT yaki check siya barok ki SHG, ki bahab hapok kamau kan raw blok, badu siya ki VO barok.
Under the Meghalaya Aero Adventure Sports Association, Simiti Dafi Lahun Nila Ashrin Shahmat. And her outstanding work and exemplary because of her years and entrepreneurship skills. So these are the two best
Baik jongi ngilaya persyang ban pelong laslam ba tangba nakadaw bang impala ban organize ban form yaki FPG haman gisnong dayna takadaw kalapen slam yangi bat ngatara IPE nakaliang jong uchi minister baik jongi lalek keleng la pelong yani program ban ajing rap sikiseng nong rap kibang yong inform kibide bandan haga grup besipau hadu arpungut tangba nga ngampat la bandar ringkat kawai du program bersiam la de beware nga so you have invited me for distributing of check in different constituency in different block which purposely intentionally I don't want to be there sir because I want to start from my own constituency. That's why I don't mind sir. That's why today it's happened. Thanks to you, sir, for your time. You have spared your time. I know today we have a very important meeting. Dahil natakadaw ang ipi, bakani kapor, nganong kwa ban karan sibon, Henry ngidon kabalong important ba ka program ka meeting. But ki stakeholder jong ka state ka jongi, ki NGOs, ki Rangba Ashnong, ki nong yalam, ki baper jong ki political party, kan sedang nadu usibaji. Kaba UCM jongi lasim kia nakabenta ki babun ki issue kumno ban resolve kabidai bat kani ka boundary dispute bat ki jela Assam group menta ngiladon kumba laipun riu hajar teligi group tang nadu uar hajar khatpra hadu menta uar hajar arpo sabankut namar kadai ka jingtrai sitom hapra hapo ka jingalam jong UCM bar kumno ban push ya kani bangin yarap ya ka livelihood jong kinong song sinong hapo kejela ka be ke jongi bat ka waida ka bang kwa ban itu yapi kalong banat mensuang idon tangkumba hawar jar kat pra tangkumba arspa teli kisnong ki village ki badon hagani ka NRLM Henry menta ngidon kumba arajar sanspa atli ki organisation ki beladon form bat kini bela itu daga sarkar ka ba menta sngi pin sayo jingara nakti jong usiam jongi bat kumju ka ba ngaku abanong ipin ne sipau kror sisnam menta kejing pelut kelapoi hadu sispa sipau kror sisnam kamdai ka kam ka besok Banshu ajarap syaki group ki baper ladang imya tik patik kat kum ke jingdon kam kat kum ki protokol ki prosedur jong ka rukom terekam jong ka sarkar. Henry ngasu komen sikat dai banong ipi yang ni. Baki SSG ki badon ki bangi laju ajarap ling baga loan. Ki badon tang lai spa kat kendai teli. Mentangi don kumba prahajar hinyau spa life hoteli. Kedai ke ba ke jing trai sitam hapo ke jing alam jong siam hapo ke jing trai lang ke jongi kumnu ban promote shisha ban yarap shisha yakin nong song snong hapo kani ke jela ke bae ke jongi kani kedai ke bang asngau ban kerpat ipi baro tong ini ai ke jing sakti na ka benta jong chimir star jongi belawan kenang bat bandan na ka digesngi ban yarap singi kinong rap. Wanum kuslai ban thap ikti jong pi namar ka government jongi ngong ya pi ka thap baro artli kiti na benta ka development hapo kari ka bi ke jongi pila banong kumno ya ka MDA government pila ban keno kumno ru ngadam kran ya ni kitin ken mau ngi sayong bayau ding so yu ding ubami sibon ki so ki khanaret ki so bang ban kawang mau yu tau ding dainam daina tong pi dainam daina KMDA government kalong kumta mat keno mat kren rengin train na kabenta ka jingbha jong kipaj ba bat kini gisngi ngan itu ipi ka perception ka jing perkhat ka jing i jong kibreu ki i ba ka MDA government ka trai shisha na kabenta ka bit ka biang ka imlang salang jong ki nong song snong po ka jela ka bai ka jong i.
In 2018, when we took over the government, we were very clear in our minds that there are 3 to 4 verticals that are very crucial to us. First was the infrastructure vertical, which included all the infrastructures that are required. Second was a social vertical, which was a vertical that required improvement in health and education. And third vertical was a socio-economic vertical, which ensured that livelihood of the people would go up. And in the last 3.5 years, the different policies that have been brought out by the government have focused on these key verticals, which have sub areas that are there inside each vertical. And I'm happy to inform you that if you look at the infrastructure development that has taken place in the last 3.5 years, it is unprecedented. Thousands of crores have been spent on road infrastructure. Even this road, I remember coming before the election, was in a very, very bad shape. But it is so nice and pleasant. I was telling the Honorable Minister, who is the local MLA, that it gives me a sense of satisfaction to be able to travel through this road and see the difference of what it was 3.5 years back and what it is today. And similarly, throughout the state, many such road projects are going on. But while I say that, I'm not saying that we have resolved every single issue, or we have repaired, or we have maintained, or constructed new roads everywhere. There is a lot more to be done. But we have done more than what was done in the past, is the sense of satisfaction that we get. Today, the Jal Jeevan Mission is one of the most important programs that's going on throughout the state. There was a time when we had less than 5,000 houses in the rural areas that were connected by pipe. In 1.5 years, we have given pipe connections to over 2 lakh houses. And our target is to touch 5,80,000, which I can assure you that we are moving very, very aggressively towards it, and we should be able to complete that within the term that has been given by the people to us. It is this government that has for the very first time realized and taken action on the infrastructures in the schools. We have over 2,000 lower primary schools. And you'll be surprised to know that these 2,000 schools, some of them have never been repaired for the past 30 years. They don't have windows. Some of them don't have roofs. Most of them don't have furnitures. And it is this government that in the last 3.5 years, that over 400 schools have been repaired, 200 new constructions have taken place, and in the coming financial year, we will be sanctioning another 100 crores to build new schools at the grassroots level. For the very first time, the most important office, more important than most of the other offices, which is the block office, which have been left unattended to for the longest time, I'm happy to inform you that we have sanctioned 3 crores for every block. New block offices will be made in all the 46 blocks. Almost over 120 crores has been sanctioned for this, and the construction for this will start by about March. For the first time, the police stations which have been left unattended, this government is sanctioning over 100 crores to renovate and to build new buildings wherever it's required.